ever unit?
Flowing at the pink dot, clear to land.
Okay, so we have 2 feet out there.
Flowing, turn right now off the hard surface, no light. All aircraft landing runway 18, maintain 1,800 over 5th Avenue until I descend you turning downwind, that's for the departure to Newton. All aircraft under 5th Avenue, maintain 1,800. 1,800, no advised, that's for the departure is out, beneath your thunder tires, keep the descent going, plan on a base, be in the tower.
I'll just stay here. Make hopes I don't fly away.
The next warning, not a tornado warning.
And so then I could like first time I was asleep and then the wind hit. First was and my dad's buddy's tent. 8 hours. Flew off and hit my tent. And they induced us to
Start wing, high wing turning downwind, start your descent. Low wing turning downwind, I apologize. Low wing, start that descent. And thunder tires, turn right at the tower. Turn left at the tower. Point your nose right at the tower and runway 18 right at the pink dot. Clear to land, runway 18 right.
Oh, wow.
The only time she got up out of bed, was like, she didn't get out of bed. It was we got out and just sat up to get the upper.
Low wing on the downwind, begin a better descent and aim towards the tower.
Yeah.
Slowing on the downwind, great turn, aim towards the tower and pink dot runway 18 right, clear to land.
That's what's scary. You can't pronounce that.
Central aircraft over 5th Avenue will maintain 1,800 until advised. 1,800 for the departures beneath you. And on the base, great turn now. Aim it towards the pink dot, runway 18 right, clear to land. Thunder tires, turn right on the hard surface and follow the flagman. Welcome to Oshkosh. Start your descent. Central aircraft over 5th Avenue. Maintain 1,800 until advised. Maintain 1,800 for the departures beneath you.
But it's, I think the chances increasing throughout the day. So it's, I mean, now that we got this, we should be.
Detail on the downwind, plan a base at the tower. And on the runway, low wing, great job. Turn right hard surface and follow the flagman. Welcome to Oshkosh. Maintain 1,800, plan on a descent on the downwind. Detail on the base, runway 18 right at the pink dot, clear to land. And
it is drying out. You guys are going to not have a problem with that. If you need a hard surface for some reason, let us know, but plan on the right turn into the grass.
Low wing, turn base, runway 18 right at pink dot, clear to land. Turn the base, start that turn all the way around, left turn. Intentional aircraft, maintain 1,800 over Fisk Avenue, expected descent when you're turning downwind. Low wing, keep that left turn all the way around, all the way at the pink dot, turn towards the pink dot. Low wing on the VTAL on the runway, turn right into the grass and follow the flagman, welcome to Oshkosh. Great job on the low wing on final. Intentional aircraft over Fisk Avenue, maintain 1,800 till advised, that's for the departures, Benito advised, 1,800 over Fisk Avenue. Low wing, turn right in the grass, follow flagman, welcome to Oshkosh. Great job, low wing, turning into the grass. Intentional aircraft over Fisk Avenue, maintain 1,800 till advised, that's for the departures, Benito, maintain 1,800 over Fisk Avenue, 99 and 1/2 mile of trail. Turning base, keep the left-hand turn all the way around, clear to land runway 18 right after the pink dot. Intentional aircraft over Fisk Avenue, maintain 1,800 till advised, that's for the departures beneath you, 1,800 and plan on turning into the grass is now dry. Flight to 2, turning downwind, start your descent and keep it tight for the flight. Flight to 2, turning downwind, check your gear, begin your descent and keep it tight as a flight. Intentional aircraft over Fisk Avenue, maintain at 1,800 till advised, that's for the departures beneath you. Low wing with wheel pans, begin your descent.